Molly J's Junk Journals, and this book is Ocean Breeze. I hope you enjoy it. Most of the pages are all CC, little pockets for extras. Lots of little artwork, extra tags there. Plenty of space for your drawings, your pictures, your little sayings, whatever you want to do with this journal. These books are made of 3 signatures, and it ends up with 60 pages altogether. A little booklet here. I hope I've shown it wrong. Big pack the front. So this book is one of my 2C books that I've done. Postcards there. Sometimes there's something on the back. Just give you an idea of what you can do with these. Little just put your little notes in here. And I've got these little things in here that just little collectibles that you want to save. Another one here. Just a fun book to have. Another one of these. Okay, so if you'd like to know more about my books, just get on to Etsy by following the link below. Hope you've enjoyed the book. Thank you.